so quiet. Hi friends, my name is Mollie. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Have you ever tried living out of a luggage? Probably if you're watching this video, you are interested in minimalism, and it's a very attractive lifestyle for so many of us. It looks beautiful, it looks so easy and freeing. However, when it comes to practicing it, it's a different story. And that's something I personally been struggling with. I've been really attracted to that lifestyle. It makes sense. I want to practice it. However, it never fully clicked for me. Until I had my recent experience, I stayed for a couple of months in different places with just a luggage. And that experience of having all of your possessions, everything you need in one luggage, made me see my possessions in a different light. And in this video, I wanted to share some of the things that really clicked for me. Maybe that will help you to implement it easier into your lifestyle and feel the beauty of it with embrace. When you have to carry all of your stuff in one luggage on your back, basically, you quickly set your priorities. What do you want to carry with you? What do you want to waste your energy on, and what do you don't want to just carry around with you for no reason at all? And once I had this kind of limited amount of stuff, I would take care of them much more easily because it's less things to take care of, and I would pay more attention to them, and in return they take care of me. And I feel like I understand what I like much more, rather than having a big wardrobe where everything is possibility and it's just kind of like very random, confused choices. And I feel like when I have less stuff, I appreciate my outfit more because everything that I put on serves a function. It's comfortable, it's good quality, and it brings me joy wearing it. It's not just there because, why not? It's there because it has a purpose. When I really felt that shift of really understanding minimalism is when I came back to my place with this luggage and seeing how many things I left behind in that place, how many things I actually have other than this luggage. And it seems so bizarre to me, so excessive. And I felt that kind of exhaustion looking at all the stuff. My previous mindset was more things means more me, more things, more importance of me, more things, more expression of me. And with having all possessions kind of in a little compact luggage, I realized that I'm no less if I have less things. If something, I feel like I could be more because there's less things to dictate me what I should be. I moved to places with just one luggage, and then I had that mindset that, okay, now I can accumulate things because that's normal. But this time I really enjoyed having that one luggage, and everything I've learned about minimalism just started to make so much sense, where it only makes sense to practice it. I don't know if you're familiar with the Harry Potter Voldemort immortality concept, basically where Voldemort split his soul into Horcruxes and put it into things and people, and that's the way he could stay immortal. But the more he split his soul, the less of a human he became. I feel like my stuff are my Horcruxes, you know, and the more stuff I have, the more times I have to split my soul, and the less of a person I become. So I really feel that with my possessions. The more possessions I have, the more I have to split myself and become less of a me. And I feel like the less possessions I have, the less times I have to split my soul. So I don't know if that makes sense, but that's kind of how I've been really feeling. If you want to challenge yourself, try to packing everything that you need for imaginary trip into your own apartment, and just try living out of a luggage. I did that for 2 months now, and it was amazing. It felt so good. Like I felt like I could just pack up in half an hour and just go. That lightness is priceless. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and got a new perspective onto minimalism. I'm really passionate about minimalism. I really want to do more videos on it. I'm really happy. I feel less of a grip of possessions on me, and the chokehold of possessions is not as strong. It's still there. The consumption culture is still very strong in me. I've been washed so well with it. However, I feel a lot more free now, and I wanted to share that beautiful feeling with you and the way that it came to me. I'm so excited to be back, by the way. I've been to Russia for the past month, so I haven't been uploading any videos. It was a crazy trip. I can't wait to upload video from it. I filmed a little vlog. So yes, I hope to see you soon, guys, and it was really, really, really nice interacting with you. Hope you have a nice day.